Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a little bit, but I'm back on a new video. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did my hair for a ball that I went to. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to be starting off with freshly co-washed hair. As you can see, looks pretty clean. I'm going to be using a donut, which I'm about to show you guys, for my bun. So I'm going to make it pretty perfect for the night. Right now, I'm just going to be applying some leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be doing basically like the lock method without the oil, because I don't want to really waste any of my oil because I will be washing my hair the next day. So I'm just going to be applying the leave-in all throughout my hair to get to make sure it's pretty moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle just so I can put in the other hair products I'm going to be using. Right here I'm showing you guys the Mielle Curl Smoothie. If you guys watched my previous video, well, 2 videos ago, I talked about this product, which I love it. So I'm still using it currently and it's so great. I haven't had any complaints. So I'm going to put a couple of those pumps in my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and work that through my hair. This stuff actually really makes your hair like super curly. It's actually good for transition, so I would still call myself a transitioning natural. So you can see here, I'm just showing you guys my hair and my bangs, how much my bangs have grown since I cut them. My hair has actually grown a lot. I want to do a natural hair video for you guys soon as well. Right here, I am parting my hair. I'm trying to explain that I'm going 2 spots over from the middle. So you can go either way. It's just going to be like a slightly deep part, but not really, because I don't really like really deep parts. So I'm just going to part it right there. And then I'm going to show you guys here how I part the top from the bottom. So right here, I'm showing you directly above the ears is where you're going to stop. And then just go ahead and go all the way back and around the head. And you know what? You don't even need a party comb or anything to do that. It's not perfect because it's going to be covered up anyways. So here I'm showing you guys the Frizz-free Curl Mousse by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. A lot of girls use it for finger waves, but I use it to keep my hair from getting super frizzy. It helps lay everything down. So I use that. So I put a couple pumps of that in my hand. I put that in the back down there, as you can see, and I'm brushing it in. And then I'm just going to put this first bun in a very, very low bun, as low as you can. As you can see here, looks pretty slick. I didn't even have to use any eco styler for that, but I will be using some for the top because I love having my hair slick. So first I'm going to apply the mousse, and then I'm going to put some eco styler in it, which I'm showing you guys right here. Just gonna apply, and I'm pretty generous with the eco styler that I use, and I do use the yellow one with the red top, which I believe is the Argan oil one. I've learned to love that one, so I use it quite a lot. I'm just gonna brush it in. It's not, my brush is not a hard bristle brush, but it's medium, so it's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's actually just perfect. And I use this brush for most of my slick hairstyles. I don't really use a comb to slick it down. I always use a brush. So now I'm just gonna pull this back, and I'm pulling it directly above the first bun. So I'm gonna put it in the bun or in a ponytail directly above the first one, so it can be nice and close together. As you can see here, it almost looks like it's just one bun, but it actually really does. So I'm gonna actually put both of them together. So I'm showing you guys here. Now I put them both together in one ponytail. Here I'm going to be showing you guys what I use on my edges. Strengthened Silk Elements edge control. And y'all, that is the best edge control I have used for ever, actually. I don't think I've ever used edge control better than this one. It really holds everything down. It doesn't cake up, it doesn't flake, it doesn't cause any type of breakage to my edges at all. It's really great. So right now I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit and show you guys exactly how I do my edges. So I basically pull it down and I swoop it around. I'm gonna show you guys in the next one as well. Next clip. How I just pull the edge down, hold it where I want it to stay, and then I start to comb the bottom piece of it back into the hair to make it nice and straight. And it makes the little curly little swoops. It's so cute. And so I do that about, as you can see, I did about 4 or 5 on that side of the head. It depends on how much hair you have on each side, or not how much hair you have on each side, but how the part is will depend on the number of swoops you could probably do. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other side. So sometimes you'll work on one part of the edges of your edges for ever, because it just doesn't want to cooperate sometimes. Like that, the first one up there I was just doing did not want to cooperate. So it looks pretty nice. It looks really cute. So right here, I'm just probably going to pull out the little hairs on the sides. The little curly cues on the sides. I like those. To give it a little bit more of a fancier look. And I'm just showing you guys what the final look looks like as far as the edges. And then I'm just going to comb back the rest of the hair that wasn't part of my edges, just to make sure everything is nice and slick. Looking to bomb, y'all. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some of that mousse on that I put on at the beginning of the video. I'm just going to put that on my edges, because that's really going to help lay it down and keep it where it needs to be all night. Because this actually really helps, because I started dancing where I went, and so it helped even when I started to sweat. My edges stayed exactly where they're supposed to be, because I know people be going to these parties, you be going out, and y'all be dancing, and your edges be getting messed up. I'm telling you, this stuff right here is amazing. And so I'll just put on the rest of my hair as well. Okay, I just tried to be a little bit cute, but now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the bun. So I just put the donut on, and I'm going to go ahead and comb out the hair that is around the donut to make sure it's nice and smooth, as you can see. And then the hair that was not directly put into the bun, I'm just wrapping it around and then putting a little scrunchie or a hair tie right on top of that. And then it's all laid down, just like that. Looks very, very simple, classy, but really pretty. Anyways, that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like these products. I'll link, or I'll just type in the products at the bottom of the video. You guys can pick out the stuff that you think you want to get. Let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.